Just as with triads, any chord member of a seventh chord can be in the coveted place of the bass. The other three notes are indicated by figures written beneath the bass note, whichever chord member that might be. If the root is in the bass, the third, fifth, and seventh of the chord are found a third, fifth, and seventh above the bass, respectively. A seventh chord with the third in the bass will have the numbers 6, 5, 3 to indicate the root, seventh, and fifth, respectively. A seventh chord with the fifth in the bass will have the figures 6, 4, 3. In this case, the 6 points to the third of the chord, the 4 points to the root of the chord, and the 3 points to the seventh of the chord. This is second inversion. A seventh chord rearranged so that the seventh of the chord is in the bass will have the figures 6, 4, 2. The 6 points to the fifth of the chord, the 4 points to the third of the chord, and the 2 points to the root of the chord. This is third inversion. We often use a shorthand of 2 figured bass numbers to represent seventh chords, unless we need to alter the number we want to leave out. A 7 all by itself is a seventh chord with the root in the bass. A 6-5 means a seventh chord with the third in the bass. A 4-3 means a seventh chord with the fifth in the bass. And a 4-2 means a seventh chord with the seventh in the bass. Remember that if you are altering the sixth or seventh scale degree in a minor key, you must put an accidental or slash on the appropriate note of your figured bass. Notice that we write figures from the largest down to the smallest beneath the bass note. Also notice that when we look at the inversions on the staff or piano keyboard, the seventh and the root are right next to each other. Sevenths invert to seconds, a cue that sometimes makes the root easy to find.